first thing, I want to smell it. Because good weed, if it's going to be good weed, right? We're going to go under the assumption that what I'm smelling is supposed to be good weed. Mm-hmm. It's supposed to taste like it smells. So,
for sure.
For me, I'm going to always goes off the nose. That's why I love Skittles more than anything in the world. Like, you open it, and you're like, I want to bury my head in the turkey bag.
Shit is.
And I'm like, if it's going to taste like this smells, I'm going to be satisfied. No doubt about it. Mm-hmm. And, like, don't you know, there's weed out there that you can smell and be like, and then you roll it up, you break it down, you smoke it, and you're like, oh, wow, this is way different than what I thought. But those are, like, that's rare. Generally speaking, great weed tastes like it smells. Like, that's the whole point of great weed. Like, does the flavor translate from the nose?
It needs to translate well for it to be good, yeah.
So, if the flavor is not translating from the nose to the taste, like, to me, that's the number one indicator. Mm-hmm. That's the number one indicator of good weed.
Is there a certain type of, like, high you like?
I don't want to get buried all day. It goes to the Skittles thing. I think Skittles is just perfect for me. I like
it's good daytime smoke.
It's all day. I love to me, Z gives me what I want. If I want to go home tonight and roll a blunt, we'll shut the lights off, watch TV, I'll get high like that. Mm-hmm. But if I need to be in the office like I am every day, creative going, it's going to give me that too. So it's just the versatility of the strain. I like creativity. I like being creative, so I'm looking for that. And again, I got to be able to move. I got to be able to function. The heavy shit can come at night when I'm home. I smoke a blunt before bed or something heavy. Yep. But during the day, I got to be able to move and groove.
What are some strains that you don't fuck with?
I mean, the list is too long, bro. Like, I only smoke 5 weed, like 5, 6 flower. Like, I'm not being like, when I tell you, I'm not lying to you. I smoke 95% zebras. Like, this is not marketing, bro. Like, if you go, like, it's just what I smoke because it's the best Z right now. If it was another one, I'd be smoking that. Like, when Blue Zeus was, it's all I smoked. So I'm biased to the Z. But, like, I'll sprinkle in Toad Venom, the Pie Chew from them, like, you know, certain strains. Like, he has some Kamikaze over there, which is not the 1010 Skittles.
Yep.
Like, but it's just that.
I like the Kamikaze in a hash form in the West Coast Alchemy.
Fire.
That shit is
fire.
Stupid.
So, like last week, I bought an 8 the Toad Venom and an 8 the Pie Chew. Just like to sprinkle in throughout the zebras during the day.
Yeah.
And people come to the office, you know, the homies always are bringing fire by. So, like, I'll try stuff. There's a lot of shit I don't like, and I just roll a blunt. But I am a flavor chaser. I don't do dabs. Like, I dab this because, you know, it's great.
Really?
But, no, I've been dabbing this. But I'm not a dabber. So I'm a flower guy. I smoke in Frontos. I need the flavor to shoot through the cigar the whole time. So I'm not chasing the high. I'm chasing the flavor. I'm going to get high anyway. Yeah. When I'm smoking fire. The fucking high's coming. Like, you know, I just need this shit to smoke and taste great from start to end. It's the only thing I'm concerned about.
I mean, I'm kind of shocked that you don't smoke a lot of hash. Like,
zero.
Why though? Like, what is there? Is there
too much shit to do? This shit, bro.
Just fuck my day up,
fucking
dude.
dabbed this shit the other day, bro. The homie Elusa took me to the Lakers game. I did a dab at 5 o'clock. I was high till 11:30.
Can I scope that buck?
Yeah, of course, bro. I did that shit. It's fire fresh press.
So this is just the hash of the flower that you were.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a fresh press.
Yeah, it's fire.
Oh.
You gotta get the puff going.
Oh fuck.
Okay. But bro, listen, that shit had me high for hours. It's like, what am I gonna do? Like, I got shit to do.
I did bring my pivot today.
So it's like
my mocha pivot. Look at that. Yeah. Thanks, Puffco. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, bro, I don't know. I don't know. I'm coughing and shit on it, gagging. Like, nah, I like the flower.
Damn.
But that shit's you're gonna be, yo, this is fire.
Not a hash guy, though.
No donuts.
I go through phases.
No donuts, nothing.
No hash holes either?
Nothing.
Oh, my God.
Well,
who do you think invented hash holes?
Oh, my God, I have no idea. Who wrote BMC? I don't know. I'm just making this up. I have no idea.
Fidel says so.
Oh, I don't know. I mean, but, okay, so...
I know who's the
There's a little bait question by you, by the way. I like this. I like this. There's a little bait question. I like that. But so I'll say this, okay? I'm gonna compare Fidel to what we did.
Okay.
I have no idea whether Fidel created the hash, or just like I don't think we created the box. I know that we made the box popular, 100%. And I know he made the hash hole popular. You know, whether he created, I have fucking no idea who created it. But there was a real time in time that was the hottest household and the most popular one. That much I'll say. Who created it, I have fucking no idea. Probably some guy that will never get the credit he deserves.
Oh, 100%, yeah.
You know how that works. But that's everything in life.
Fucking,